All right, everybody. Ready to dig into some serious numbers.
Always up for a deep dive, especially when the company's as intriguing as this one.
This is one you're not going to want to miss. Pan American Silver, they're absolutely crushing it.
Crushing it is an understatement.
Yeah.
I mean, have you seen their latest cash flow figures?
We're talking record-breaking numbers, right?
Record-breaking doesn't even begin to cover it. We're talking $203.3 million in cash flow in just 3 months.
Okay, so you weren't kidding. That's 1/4 for everyone keeping score at home.
Exactly. And get this, a massive chunk of that, we're talking $102.1 million, is free cash flow.
Free cash flow, music to any investor's ears. What's their secret sauce?
It's a combination of factors, really, but their financial strategy is clearly paying off.
Yeah, they're sitting on a nice little nest egg, too, right?
Nest egg, more like a treasure chest. Try $337.2 million in cash on hand.
And that's what I call financial security. Gives them a nice cushion, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. That kind of cash buffer gives them incredible flexibility. They can weather market downturns.
Invest in growth, potentially boost returns for shareholders.
You've got it. It's a position many companies would envy.
And the momentum isn't slowing down, is it?
Not at all. In fact, they're maintaining their production targets for both silver and gold for the rest of the year.
Bold move, considering their stellar performance so far. Makes you wonder what they've got up their sleeve.
Well, here's an interesting tidbit. They're projecting a significant production increase towards the end of the year.
End of the year, you say? Any specific time frame?
The Q4. They're saying Q4 is going to be big.
No, that's something to keep our eyes on. But let's rewind a bit. What's driving this success in the first place?
Well, their La Colorada mine is a big part of the story. Remember those infrastructure investments they made?
The ones in ventilation, right?
Exactly. They're seeing incredible results from that. Higher throughput.
Meaning
They're processing ore at a much faster rate. And the quality of the ore, the grade, it's better too.
So more silver per ton of ore.
You got it. More silver, faster processing, it's a winning combination.
It's like a double whammy of awesome for their bottom line.
Exactly. And then there's the cost reduction.
Music to my ears. Cost management is key in any industry, but especially mining.
They're seeing cost reductions at La Colorada, and they're anticipating similar improvements at their Cerro Moro and Jacobina mines.
Cerro Moro and Jacobina, 2 more names to remember, folks.
They're definitely ones to watch, especially Jacobina.
Jacobina, they're golden goose, right?
It's already generating impressive cash flow, but they're not resting on their laurels. They've initiated an optimization study.
Optimization, love that word. What does that mean in plain English?
Basically, they're looking at ways to make an already efficient mine even more so.
Squeezing out every last drop of profit? I like it.
If successful, this study could extend the life of the mine significantly. We're talking potentially decades.
Decades. Now, that's thinking long term. But they've got other projects in the pipeline too, don't they? What about Escobal?
Ah, yes, Escobal, the mine in Guatemala that's been on hold.
The one with the political complexities. Any updates on that front?
It's still a bit of a waiting game. They're waiting for a new vice minister to be appointed.
Always some political wrangling going on, but in the meantime...
They've been engaging in dialogue with the Guatemalan government. And the word is, these meetings have been productive.
Productive. That sounds promising.
It's definitely a step in the right direction.
So while Escobal is still a bit of a question mark, the fact they're making progress is good news.
Absolutely. If they can resolve those outstanding issues and get Escobal up and running, it could be huge for them.
Huge is an understatement.
Okay,
So to sum it all up, Pan American Silver is on a roll.
they're firing on all cylinders, that's for sure. Record profits, ambitious growth plans, and they're navigating tricky political situations.
And let's not forget that impressive cash pile they're sitting on. They're ready for anything.
Exactly. They have the resources and the strategy to weather any storm. It's impressive, really.
They're definitely one to watch. Now, for anyone listening who wants to stay ahead of the curve,
Pay close attention to metal prices, any developments with that Escobal situation, and see what comes of that optimization study at Jacobina.
all crucial factors to keep in mind. This is a dynamic industry, folks, and knowledge is power. That's it for our deep dive today, everybody.
Till next time.